くだらん。この程度の角に負けるとは。
Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. This is the day 9 of trading a $25,000 evaluation account of Tradeify. Let's go to the Tradeify dashboard where I will give you a quick weekly review. In our last video, we were up like $181 for the whole week. Now we just made $627 this week. Somehow we ended up green. This is what it really matters. As you can see, from this month we started on my first day of June. I made around $103. Tuesdays $134, on Wednesdays 189, and nothing goes on. As you can see, 174, and the last day of this week I made $41, and this is one of the toughest day of my entire trading journey, where I kept trading. Actually, on the Thursday night, I was planning not to trade on Friday because I really wanted to end this week a green week. So that's the only reason. But still, eventually, I was started looking the charts and forcing myself to trade and make a good profit. But this $41, I don't count this as a profit because I really don't want to trade on the weekend because one thing I realized, I just recognized the pattern. Every weekend, um, I did very well on my last week as well. But on the Friday in every week, on the last day of the week, I just messed up. Okay, so that's the main reason I don't want to trade, but somehow I ended up green. So Friday was the toughest day of my entire trading journey, where I lost around $299 something. Uh, and then somehow I made it up green, but on my fourth trade, the floating PNL was $600. Can you imagine? I mean, I would have easily killed the whole week progress. Yeah, at this candle, I was placing a buy trade randomly, and then the market, not this area. I mean, yeah, at this area, I was placing a buy trade. Let's go to a 5-minute candle, as you can see, and then the market was going down and down. I was trading with two minis. Okay, the floating loss was around $600, and somehow market plays out in my favor, and I booked the profit here, somewhere around here, and then I made around $40. Somehow I recovered the loss and escaped from the $600 loss if I close the trade here. So my account balance would have returned to the 25,000 initial balance itself. So somehow I managed it. So yeah, this is it. Let's go to the journal section. My win rate is around 57%. Last week it was 51%. Net PNL is $827. Profit factor is 1:30. Trade is $7. The only thing I have to improve is this where my average wins or $56, average lose of 58. So I need to make this 56 into 65 or 63 so that it can easily boost up my win rate as well. So that's it. We have already met the consistency in the mid of this week. So consistency is not an issue for me right now. The profit target is $1,500. My highest profit is $189. Roughly, I need a 650 or $627 something to pass this evaluation, and then we will be funded. And yeah, that's it. I'm not thinking about the future right now. I mean, what I would do after getting funded, how many payouts I'm gonna take. Nothing like that. For now, the full focus is on the evaluation. I just want to pass the evaluation. Nothing else. That's the goal as of now. So that's it. Till then, goodbye.